What up friends? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. As always, I hope you are having a wonderful day. So tonight, I wasn't gonna go out. I was gonna stay home, have a good old time at the house, and then I get a text message. Hey, who wants to go to the meet tonight? And I'm like, nah, I'm gonna stay in. But then my buddy Matt decides to tell me, we got another GTR coming. I'm like, what? So I respond and I say, excuse me, I'm the only GTR in our group, WTF, so now I have to go, show up, and represent. So let's go. What up? What's up? I'm Jeff.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. Nice GTR.
How's it going?
What's up? I'm Jeff.
Brandon. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Hi, I'm Jeff.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you.
What's up, man?
Hey, whoa, what's up? Good to see you, man.
You too.
Matt.
Jeff, how's it going?
What's up? You didn't make the sound effects.
Oh.
All right, who's GTR?
Mine.
No, who's GTR in real life? Yours?
I didn't tell you yet. No, seriously, bro.
I can see your car right there.
Yeah, we traded, man.
Yeah, we traded. Wow, it's like very shiny and clean.
It's dirty, dude.
Are you kidding me?
It's so dirty.
Dude, you want to see a dirty car?
I haven't cleaned this in 2 months because I don't drive it too much anymore.
What?
Yeah, I know. I was like, how did I find an excuse? So I hit him up like, yo, I didn't go
I'll give you an excuse to drive it.
I think it being lowered makes it look cleaner too. Yeah, you want to talk about what's done to your car?
I want to know. Yeah.
So it's like a Alpha 7 package with the E85 Dyno Tune.
Alpha 7.
Dyno Tune, so it has that extra little sauce, you know, every gear has been Dyno Tune tweaked. I've raced like several full bolt-on E85s, right? With email tunes, so like it's like a
Not the
3-car
fast
gap
one
for the long
anymore.
run. Yeah.
Okay.
Somehow, yeah, because every gear, like it gets. I'll show you a video.
So wait, who tuned it?
Tim Bailey, he's like the.
Where's that at?
Tim Bailey's a tuner, so he flies around.
Wait, is he at AMS?
No, he's not AMS.
Company?
No.
He just does it private?
So he's like the VP of Cobb Tuning.
Oh, so he's
Oh.
He's on like thousands of GTRs, right?
Okay.
That's good quality wrap, dude.
Yeah.
Because usually you can see like it's not fully reflective, right?
Right. Yeah, this is like super high gloss in Nositech.
It literally looks like paint. It looks so much better under the light. Yeah, in the sunlight it's like super green.
Yeah.
At night it looks black.
I just love how it looks black. Like right now it's like really dark.
I did beat him in a race though. So.
Yeah.
I'll race it. No, it's because like
We were racing for last place and he just smoked me.
Yeah, big time.
We're about to leave.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Be positive.
Hey, do it again, Brian. Do it again. Yeah. This is all I got.
I know this doesn't let me run.
Well, I guess I have a little. All right. Look at this lineup. I don't want to say we're flexing, but I feel like we're flexing. This RS3 is pretty sweet.
It's badass, dude. I kind of want one now.
I literally test drove an RS3, and the reason why I didn't pull the trigger on it is because it doesn't have
One of my friends was
electric seats.
I think this one is.
Nope. Let's find out.
Let's find out. Okay.
Hey, question about your car. This is very, very important. Do you have manual or electric seats?
Oh man, they're manual.
I told you.
$60,000 plus
I know.
car and it's got manual
That's
seats.
literally the reason why I didn't buy an RS3, because
Right?
I was like, how am I
Right?
going to come home with a $60,000 car and
Right?
tell my wife, you got to push that back?
No, the worst part is raising and lowering it,
Yes.
or raising the seat back.
Yeah,
got
you got to
wheel
turn the
on
knob. Yeah. That was literally the reason why I did not get one. All right, so let's see this midnight color at night now. Damn. So good.
Give me your daughter have a donut. If this goes wrong, I might have to buy it.
Not that one.
Do you want a donut, Sierra?
And of course,
Maybe that one.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
no problem.
Thanks, Richard.
The donut man.
The donut man. I need a bite.
Yeah, but
He's eating donut.
So good.
Leaf out of your air duct.
Yeah, I think they had like.
Well, you probably blew it in there, so.
Oh, because my exhaust.
Yeah.
Did you hear me backfiring? Yes.
No, dude, people in China heard you backfiring.
Yes.
Honestly, ask that question again.
Did you hear me backfire? Did you hear me backfire? The whole world heard. I don't know. Did you though?
I'm literally gonna like play this back as your car backfiring, and then you immediately saying, "Did you hear me backfiring?"
Did you hear me backfire? Did you hear me backfire?
Yeah, say that again. Who didn't hear it?
Who didn't hear it?
No,
Like everyone heard it. Everyone heard it.
Hey, this thing's on amateur charged. It's pro charged. We got a spot right here.
I know. I was like, that's perfect.
I gotta go, man. It's good to see you, bro.
Drive safe.
I'm glad you said it.
Matt, it's been fun.
Well, I tell everyone. All right, man. Take
Real
care.
life school. Better, bro.
You out? Later.
Unfortunately, the first meet that we went to was already shut down by the cops. It was actually shut down before any cars got there. Like, the cops knew we were gonna be there. So then we had to go to another location in another city, and by the time I got there, it was just about time to go anyways. I tried to vlog a little bit, catch some cars, and get some good content for you guys. So I hope you like it. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Thanks for checking out this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.